see your iPhone? Yeah, the big thing. Different kind of shark.
She weighs somewhere between 350 and 400.
Hala, dun. It's baby
That's the
shark.
hammerhead. See the hammerhead?
I can't see it.
You can see, stand up.
It's hiding.
Oh, yeah. When they grow up, it will eat people. And more importantly,
I think this is the one up there.
This one. The curtain is cut in the top. It's not complete. The color is dark, that's why. Look at this.
you know that sharks have teeth behind their other
That is my phone.
I don't know where's your phone.
Look at that huge shark! Look at that huge shark on the floor! Look at that huge shark on the floor, look! Mommy, can we take a picture of the shark now?
I don't know. Let's see.
We can!
Ella, come here. Don't move too fast.
This one is big shark.
This one is me. Look, Ella, you see the sharks? See the shark? Mommy, put video on me.
I took a video.
This one,
You're
this one.
covering.
But next to it is a thing you can pet the.
Look, Ella, you see the sharks? See the shark? Look.
Oh my god.
This one is huge.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, come closer.
It has a tattoo on the back.
Okay, Scarlett, come here. Distance. Ella, look at me. Look at the two. See how the two, they have two rows of two.